Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, what exactly is this U0100 code telling you? Essentially, the various computer modules in your truck, like the transmission controller, the anti-lock brake system, and others, can no longer talk to the ECM. Think of the ECM as the brain of your engine's operation. When the communication line goes down, it's like the brain can't send or receive signals from the rest of the body. This communication happens over a network called the controller area network, or CAN bus. A U0100 code is a clear signal that there's a problem somewhere on this network. What are the common symptoms you might notice? Well, they can be pretty dramatic. The most obvious is the check engine light blazing on your dashboard. You might also find your engine won't start at all, or it might stall while you're driving, which is a serious safety concern. Other signs could be rough idling, poor acceleration, or your transmission getting stuck in one gear, what's often called limp mode. In some cases, other warning lights for your ABS or traction control might light up as well. Basically, your truck knows something is very wrong and is trying to tell you in every way it can. Now, let's talk about the causes. Why does this communication failure happen? The number one culprit is often a wiring issue. The CAN bus is a complex web of wires, and any damage, like a frayed wire, a loose connection, or corrosion on a connector, can interrupt the signal. This could be from road debris, a previous repair that wasn't done quite right, or even rodents chewing on the wiring. The module could be failing internally due to age, heat, or moisture. A faulty ECM can stop broadcasting signals, leading to the U0100 code. Similarly, a weak or dead battery can cause all sorts of bizarre electrical gremlins, including communication errors. If the battery voltage drops too low, especially during startup. So, how do you diagnose this problem? First things first, check your battery. Make sure it's fully charged and the terminals are clean and tight. This is a simple step that can sometimes be the fix. Next, you'll want to do a thorough visual inspection of the wiring harness connected to the ECM. Look for any obvious signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Pay close attention to the ground wires, as a bad ground is a frequent source of electrical issues. If the battery and wiring look good, the next step involves more advanced diagnostics. You'll need a good quality OBD scanner that can read network codes and live data. By looking at which other modules are also reporting communication failures, you can start to pinpoint where the break in the network might be. For instance, if only one or two modules can't talk to the ECM, the problem might be localized to the wiring between them. If no modules can communicate, the issue is more likely with the ECM itself or the main CAN bus wiring. Testing the CAN bus requires a digital multimeter to check for the correct resistance and voltage on the CAN high and CAN low wires. This helps determine if the network circuit is intact. This can get complicated, and if you're not comfortable with automotive electrical diagnostics, this is where it's a good idea to consult a professional mechanic. They have the specialized tools and experience to trace the fault accurately without causing more damage. Fixing a U0100 code involves repairing whatever you found during diagnosis. If it's a damaged wire, you'll need to repair or replace that section of the harness. If a connector is corroded, it needs to be cleaned or replaced. If the ECM is determined to be faulty, it will need to be replaced and, in most cases, programmed to your specific vehicle's VANG. This programming step is crucial and usually requires dealer-level equipment. To wrap things up, the U0100 code on your GMC is a serious issue that indicates a breakdown in communication with your engine's main computer. While it can be caused by something as simple as a bad battery connection, it often points to more complex wiring or module failures. Start with the basics: check your battery and inspect the wiring, but don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're out of your depth. Ignoring this code can lead to your vehicle being unreliable or even unsafe to drive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more automotive tips and repair guides. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.